Join me as I take on the challenge of unlocking the true power of the secret and see how it transforms my life. The concept of the secret has been around for quite some time, and it's all about the law of attraction. Simply put, it's the idea that our thoughts and feelings have the power to attract certain experiences into our lives. It's not just about wishing for something, it's about believing in it, feeling it, and knowing that it's already on its way to us. Many people have misconceptions about the secret. They think it's just about sitting on the couch, visualizing what they want, and then waiting for it to magically appear. But that's not how it works. It takes effort, dedication, and a deep understanding of the principles behind it. One of the biggest challenges people face is that they're not consistent. They try it for a day or two, and when they don't see immediate results, they give up. Another common mistake is that people focus too much on what they don't want, instead of what they do want. A lot of people also think that the secret is just about positive thinking, but it's so much more than that. It's about changing your mindset, your beliefs, and your perspective on life. It's about letting go of negativity, fear, and doubt, and embracing positivity, trust, and faith. The secret is not a magic pill that will fix all your problems overnight. It's a journey, and it takes time, patience, and persistence. For many people, the secret seems too good to be true, or they think it's just some woo-woo nonsense. But the truth is, it's backed by science, and it's been proven to work time and time again. The problem is that people don't take the time to really understand it, they don't put in the effort, and they don't believe in themselves. Let me tell you, visualization is a powerful tool when used correctly. It's not just about seeing yourself in a certain scenario, it's about feeling it, smelling it, tasting it, and believing it's already happening. When you visualize, you're sending a message to your subconscious mind that this is what you want, and your subconscious mind starts working towards making it a reality. It's an incredible feeling when you see your visualizations become a reality. Positive thinking is another key principle of the secret. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about believing in them, feeling them, and knowing that they're true. When you think positive thoughts, you're sending out positive energy into the universe, and that energy attracts positive experiences back into your life. It's not always easy, especially when things aren't going your way, but it's worth it. Gratitude is also a crucial part of the secret. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you're sending a message to the universe that you appreciate what you have, and you're open to receiving more. It's not just about saying thank you, it's about feeling it in your heart, knowing that you're blessed, and trusting that the universe has your back. I want to share a personal story with you that illustrates the transformative power of the secret. A few years ago, I was going through a tough time in my life. I was struggling to find a job, I was in debt, and I felt hopeless. But then I discovered the secret, and it changed everything. I started visualizing myself in a successful career, earning a good income, and living a happy life. I started thinking positively, focusing on what I was grateful for, and trusting that the universe had my back. It wasn't easy, but I persisted, and slowly but surely, things started to shift. I got a job, I paid off my debt, and I started living the life I wanted. There are countless stories of people who have used the secret to transform their lives. From cancer patients who visualize themselves healed, to entrepreneurs who visualize their businesses succeeding, to people who visualize themselves in loving relationships. The secret is not just a concept, it's a reality that can change your life. In conclusion, the secret is not just about attracting what you want into your life, it's about becoming the person you need to be to attract it. It's about trusting in the universe, having faith in yourself, and knowing that you deserve to live an amazing life. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on the secret, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the principles of the secret, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips and techniques on how to make it work for you.